by doing my eyebrows, and I literally just use an eyebrow pencil to do this. I'm just going to look into my mirror so I can properly do it. So I literally just... Sorry guys, it wasn't recording. So I've literally just concealed under my eyes, and I'm just doing up here so it can like lift up my face a little bit, just give me like a, you know, a facelift, because some of us aren't blessed with the snatched look. So I was saying, like, this concealer is so much better than the Elego Pro concealer, the one that I used to use, because I feel like it's much better coverage. Like, it is full coverage, like you will be covered the whole day. Yeah, so I just cover my mustache area down here. I just do a line here and one here, like so. So this is what we're working with. So what I usually do is I let this sit for like 10 minutes. I know that sounds really long, but it's actually worth it because it makes it sit for longer, so you have like fuller coverage compared to when you just blend it out straight away. That's what I find. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So yeah, just in case you guys missed that, this is the concealer I use in butterscotch. Can you see it? Okay, so I've got my lashes on now, and I'm gonna just blend out my concealer because it's been like, I think 5 minutes. I know I usually wait 10 minutes, but yeah, 5 minutes will do as well. So I just start off by blending my chin out, and it's like automatically, do you see the coverage? I really hope you guys see it because I promise you the coverage is incredible. Area. Also blend out my forehead as well. Boom, just like that. And then the sides. Blended, and now what I want to do is I want to blend out my under eyes, so your face is lifted but then you've also got definition to it. So I'm literally just blending out the under eye now, and then as I blend out, it doesn't move too much, and that's perfect. That's what you want. You want like that coverage. Like, do you guys see that? I really hope you do. And then set your face. I usually like to do it really quickly before it starts creasing, because creasing is like the worst thing to happen to your look. Now I try not to bake, just because like I find that baking is too cakey for me. So I just literally just go in, and then as I'm going in, I like rub it off really quickly, like blend it in, sorry. And then the chin area. So now what we want to do is we want to contour, because obviously it's too bright. This contour brush of mine, and I literally just contour right on my jaw. not jaw, right on my cheekbone, sorry. I was like, that doesn't sound right. So yeah, I just take that in like so. Already it like adds, what's it called? It adds like dimension to your face, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take it down here as well. Don't worry about my forehead, it's looking crazy, but we're gonna blend that out. And I just love, what's it called? I love contour so much. I feel like it really does it for the face. Yeah. And there we go. We're done with the outer premises. So what I now do is I powder contour, because cream contour can sometimes feel a bit sticky for me. So I like to set it with powder contour. So what I use is the True Match L'Oreal Paris, so this is the one I use, and it's actually perfect because it matches my foundation. I mean, it's the same brand as my foundation, so I just dab a little bit and then I literally just take it along where I've cream contoured. Just take it along, just literally just take it along, take it up, and then I also do the middle of my forehead because I don't really like harsh contour. Like so. Perfect. I actually use this brush and I just tap a little bit. I just, like so. You can't even see it, but I promise you the contour is there. And I bring it up to my eyebrows. Like so, and then I do the bottom of my nose. This has worked so well for me lately, just the bottom of my nose, just like so. Revolution one, it's seen better days, it definitely has seen better days, but I just take a bit of that using the same brush, making sure I'm not too harsh with it, and then I literally just make sure I go in the middle. Sorry. Like so, and then I do the little here. So do you guys see that? I just think it makes my nose look so much cuter. Just like that. That's what we're working with so far. So I think this looks good, like it's a good base. It's clean, it's not too cakey, it's okay. So now what I want to do is blush. My most favorite step, which is blush. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I take a random blush. So this is the blush I've been using for a few months now. I absolutely love it. I'm going to have a link description for you, like including all the products that I have used. So I literally just do is just dab it the littlest bit, just literally just, and like the lightest bit as well. Like I love blush, but like you can go really wrong with it, and I have gone so wrong with it before. And then I don't smile anymore, I just kind of like add it to where I've added my highlight. So I try my best not to smile because I feel like when I smile it drags my blush down. When I smile, it's up here, but then when I stop smiling, it comes down and it makes my face look really round and like flustered. So I just add it to here. Oh my gosh, I'm smiling. Ugh, I can't help it. Oh my gosh, I know I said you're not supposed to smile, but boom, just like that. That's the blush we're working with. Yeah, so literally just showing you how I do my lips now. So I line it using a brown liner because I cannot add red lipstick right on top of my lips. It needs to blend because I have a darker skin, so it, I don't know, I'll show you what I mean. So I just line my lips literally like this. so now that I've lined my lips, we can go in with the red lipstick. So I literally just got this from Primark because I didn't own a red lipstick, so I was like, let me just get let me just get like the cheapest one just to experiment with, and it actually turned out pretty well. So what I literally just do is just put it on like you would, just guys, this is the final look. I'm keeping the earrings simple today, and I'm wearing these little I don't know what to call them, little studs. Yeah, just like so. And then I'm gonna put on my outfit. I'm gonna keep my hair like this because I feel like a bun really matches this look. So I'm gonna put on a black dress and I'll show you the final look.